Hello, in this video I want to show you how to ask a question on Instagram stories. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Here find the profile tab, the last tab, and here find the profile photo. Click on it and then click on the add your story to your story. Here you can find some picture on or video for your story. Select and then you can see this interface, and we must choose the stickers. 30 tab, and here you can find the question button, question sticker. Select it. Then you can ask a question. Like this, and click on the done. And that's all. We can ask the question on Instagram stories or this method. And that's all for today. Goodbye.